All right. New starter. No gas tank or anything, so it's not going to run, but just proving that that's what the problem was. Ha ha ha. It's 40 degrees out. Not going to take it for a ride, but bike is working. Starts right up. So it was a starter all along. Although it does have a new battery now, so I guess that's a plus. No, the starter relay wasn't the issue. Like I said, it had voltage going to all the wires. I took it apart, and it was black on the inside. It wouldn't spin freely, so I got a new one off eBay. Well, it was a used one, but it was working. The new ones, I called the Kawasaki dealer. The new ones are like 400 bucks. But yeah, I got this used one for 70 bucks. And hey, look, it starts right up. So, new battery, new starter. It's ready to hit the road again.